Press Window plus D to maximize and minimize the screen. Let's see on the screen. Let's open Microsoft Word. Then press Window plus D to minimize the Microsoft Word. Again press Window plus D to maximize the Microsoft Word. In this way, you can maximize and minimize any screen like Excel, Google Chrome, PowerPoint. Let's look at the screen. Let open Microsoft Excel. Then press Window plus D to minimize and again press Window plus D to maximize. Similarly, open Google Chrome. Then press Window plus D to minimize and again Window plus D to maximize. Press Alt plus Tab to switch between open apps. Let's see this video. Press Alt plus Tab and select any of the open app to switch. Let's switch to Microsoft Word. Again press Alt plus Tab, then switch any of the app. Let's switch to Google Chrome. In this way you can switch to any of the opened app using Alt plus Tab. Taking a screenshot on a laptop depends upon the hardware of your laptop. You can use Window logo plus print screen key to take a screenshot on the laptop, or you can use FN plus Window plus spacebar to take a screenshot from your laptop. Let's see this video. I am taking a screenshot of Microsoft Word file opened in my computer by pressing Window plus print screen button. You can see the screenshot has been taken, and now we will show you where the screenshot has been saved. Saving of the screenshot depends upon the setting of your computer. Let's see the screenshot in my computer. Click on the File Explorer. Click on Picture. Click on Screenshot. The latest screenshot appear at the end of the folder. In this case, it is here. This is the screenshot we have taken plus print screen key. In this way, you can take a screenshot of any picture by using Window plus print screen key. Similarly, you can use FN plus Window logo key plus spacebar key if the Window plus print screen key is not working in your computer for taking a screenshot.